Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. If you enjoy this, give us a like, subscribe, and share it with everyone. It really helps us out. So today, we are at Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park, California, and as you can see, the decorations are amazing! The theme park really outdid themselves, and this year, instead of being the usual Knott's Scary Farm, the theme is Knott's Taste of Falloween. So here we are on the backside of Camp Snoopy, and it's gotten a little dark. Looking at some of the decorations, you can see squash, pumpkins, and it's like this all over the park. We are approaching a sign, and what's it say? It's Camp Snoopy's Trick or Treat Trail. Let's check it out, shall we? I'm so excited. Wow, would you look at that? You got pumpkins stacked on top of each other, jack-o'-lanterns of all sizes everywhere. Whoa, I think the worker over there is a skeleton. And there's Charlie Brown in a skeleton outfit eating a candy apple right next to the biggest pumpkin I've ever seen. And behind him, it's a spooky scarecrow! Ah! It's a skeleton driving a truck! You guys hear that music? It's the Calico Coffin Creepers playing some music. We got a werewolf on guitar, a Spider-Man playing drums, and an alien on a banjo, Frankenstein or a zombie, or I don't know what that is, and Bigfoot in the back. More treats ahead. Skeletons again! Wait, did you see Snoopy? I think people got left behind on the Ferris wheel, or people just don't want to leave because it's so much fun. I think the skeletons took over all the rides over at Knott's Berry Farm. attractions is so creepy. Skeleton on boat rides and all the attractions. This seems to be a tomb area, kind of like a cemetery. Let's see what this leads us. Whoa! Gargoyles and graves! It's like a mausoleum with creepy statues. Hear the sound of the river. Look at all those pumpkins! Did you see Sally Brown wearing a princess crown? I think that's a skeleton horse pulling a wagon. And it seems we went this way. Ah, it's the backside of the Calico Coffin Creepers playing their music again. This area seems kind of crowded. I wonder what people are waiting for. That rock monster is so cool and moving so lifelike. Check out those jack-o'-lanterns along the river. This is a push and pull area with candy corn decorations and more skeletons on the wagons. I see some light floating jack-o'-lanterns along the waterfall. I would love to go into the caves down below. Rainmaker Dr. Dylan Marsh. Medicine Man. Okay. Oh, is that Charlie Brown again? In a witch's hat? How'd he get here? Now we got fallen leaves all over the caves. And more social distance trick-or-treating. We are approaching the Grand Sierra Station. And the conductor is a skeleton. I'm not surprised anymore. Oh, there is Snoopy fishing for candy. And Charlie's over there fishing for pumpkins, it looks like. Though there's a whole bunch of pumpkins around him already. Oh, who's up there? It looks like Linus. Hi, Linus! We got more creepy trees.
Here at Knott's Berry Farm, we're glad to have you join us.
This next area is a bit different. It looks like aliens and monsters all over. the meet greet headquarters.
With the exception of being seated. Face masks must be properly worn, covering both mouth and nose. For the safety and comfort of those around you, we ask that you please refrain from eating and drinking while walking. Also, we ask that you please maintain
We got more skeletons flying the planes.
at all times.
Lucy's a princess also, and we see a whole bunch of scarecrows again. Aliens? Woodstock? All over the alien crash site. Look at all them Woodstock. They're everywhere. I wonder if it's like Area 51. And Charlie's a pirate this time. He keeps on changing their costumes and outfits. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Leave a comment down below because we want to hear what you think.